Sa ginanap na audition ng The First Idol Live Entertainment, musical on screen ngayon, ang galing at labanan sa pag-awit, idol ng mamamayan. Handog ng ating minamahal na Mayor Filemon Galsim, ang Santa Cruz Idol. Narito na ang the top 19 contestant. Join me, Austria. Prince Dakis.
Ang pangarap ko'y para sa'yo, nag-iisang bituin, laman ng puso at damdamin ko'y nag-iisang bituin. Kahit san ka man dalhin ng tadana'y tama pa rin, dahil tayo'y nakatitig sa nag-iisang bituin.
Jason Vergara.
Muling tanggapin, muling magaling, di kakayanin, ika'y mawala sa'king piling. Muling magaling, ika'y magbalik, magtiwalang muling, muling ibalik ang pag-ibig na dating sa akin.
Yestone Disales. Juliet Perez.
So you keep me in your heart, promise me we'll never part. I can only love you so much more, 'cause you're all I'm living for. And the only thing I do is to give my love to you, and forever you'll be in my heart. The
Aris da Prosa.
Bakit di pagbigyan muli ang ating pagmamahalan? Kung mawawala ay di masayang naman, lumipas nating tila ba kailan. At kung nagkamali siya, patawad ang pagsamo ko, halina't ulitin ang pag-ibig natin. Muli ikaw lang at ako.
Leonard Villas.
Kulang ako kung wala ka, di ako mabubuo nang di kita kasama. Nasanay na ako na lagi kang nariyan, di ko kayang mag-isa, puso ay pagbigyan. Kulang ako kung wala ka.
Jessel Ann Ganzon.
I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me on the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking, though we almost
Rondel Ramos.
Kailangan kong gawin upang matigil na ang kabaliwan kong ito. Sumpa ko sa sarili, hindi na. Ngunit eto na naman ako. Hindi na papipigil pa, di na papawa. Sinisigaw na ang pangalan mo. Ikaw talaga'y ibang-iba sa lahat ng nakilala. Sana ay ikaw.
Daisel Carrasco.
Leaving someone when you love someone is the hardest thing to do. When you love someone as much as I love you, oh, I don't wanna leave you. Maybe it tears me up inside, but I'll never be the fool you needed. Love you, baby. Baby, it's never gonna work out. Love you, goodbye.
Abigail Castro.
Don't cry out loud. Just keep it inside and learn how to hide your feelings. Fly high and proud, and if you should fall, remember you almost made it. Don't cry out loud.
Ken Francis Damanse.
I know I prayed for much too much, but could you send the only natural love? I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.
Jomar Maang.
Oh, nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako.
Veronica Gasiga.
Sa marami pang tagumpay ay isang pangarap. Ako'y naniniwala, ako'y lilipanan ng lahat makakakita. Sa isang pangarap, ako'y naniniwala, hindi ako titigil hanggat aking makakaya. Unti-unting mararating, tagumpay ko'y makikita, patuloy ang pangarap.
Rogie Mandani.
There'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Ooh.
Venus Habon,
Musika ang buhay na aking tinataglay. Ito rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay.
Aljon Bentoso,
I'll never go how far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you.
Robin Tupas,
So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.
Anfay Magallanes,
We got to let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place.
sino sa kanila ang magwawagi bilang kauna-unahang Santa Cruz Idol Grand Winner? Abangan Elimination Night, February 22, Semifinals, March 8, Grand Finals, March 21. Don't miss it!